Good afternoon, Virginia. Have you been following the arguments in the Supreme Court about the legality of Arizona's immigration law?
Yes, Reverend Tom, I have been. Why do you ask?
Because how our government deals with illegal immigration is of great interest to me as a Christian, as it should to all Americans. Our founding fathers created this great country as a Christian nation, and all government policy must be judged by the gospel of Jesus Christ.
So, you must oppose a law that results in splitting families apart, and punishes employers if they get caught knowingly hiring illegal immigrants.
Oh, no, American Jesus would totally favor this law.
I guess I'm a little confused. Doesn't the Bible say be kind to the aliens among us? And didn't the historical Jesus tell us to treat strangers among us with kindness?
No. Those Bible verses don't use the word immigration, per se. It is better to look at St. Paul's words that require obedience to government decree. For example, Romans chapter 13 verses 1 through 7 makes it abundantly clear that God expects us to obey the laws of the government. The only exception to this is when the law of the government forces you to disobey a command of God. Illegal immigration is the breaking of a governmental law. Therefore, it is a sin, a rebellion against God, to illegally enter into another country.
So if you were an illegal immigrant, you are a sinner?
Jesus said, "He who does not enter the sheepfold by the door, but climbs up some other way, the same is a thief and a robber. But he who enters by the door is the shepherd of the sheep." If an alien has broken the law of our nation by coming illegally, the alien is supposed to be subject to the penalties of the law, just like the native citizens. Those who entered our land legally and with permission, like the Pilgrims, are the kinds of immigrants on which this great country was based. But American Jesus would want illegal immigrants, like thieves and robbers, to be put in jail and punished. Anyone who aids them in committing their crime, like employers who give them jobs that Americans don't even want, should also be punished.
All hail, American Jesus.